Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining in. And I'm really excited to have with me Kabir Mitra. Kabir is an old friend, and we have worked together, and it's great to see him at Opentext World. And Kabir, welcome to Open Studio.
Thanks, Ajit. Thanks for having me here.
Thank you. And Kabir is the senior VP at Sedin, one of our key partners in doing a lot of our projects and helping customers. So, you want to talk about your area of work, Kabir, and how you are working with your customers?
Yeah. So this is our second year for in Opentext World, and this year it is really big. And Sedin is basically a technology partner or consulting partner to Opentext. And what we do at Opentext is we help Opentext customers get onto Opentext technology, land and expand. And we have been, we have been there in the government, enterprise, manufacturing, and even now we have started with life sciences vertical.
Oh, interesting. Yeah, so that's great. And what's been your takeaway from the Opentext world? What are you hearing? You've been part of the keynote. What's happening?
Yeah, the keynote has been exciting this time because what we heard last time, we only heard about OpenText Aviator. This time it is 100 agents.
Yeah.
And everything, I mean, all business use cases, we saw the actual demo. So everything is there in flesh and blood now. And we are all excited as partners. We want to, completely transform the business scenario at a customer place. And this is really going to be game-changing options for our customers.
Yeah.
It will be a tough choice for them.
Yeah, that's great to hear, and I thanks for sharing that excitement. What's your customers are talking about? Are you getting? What are the messages you're getting? You're much closer to the customers.
So customers, while they are like they're really not sure about how AI is going to change the landscape, but what coming on after the events and after the keynote session, I think they are really excited about having OpenText technology completely transform and use AI. And in fact, there are many inquiries at our booth also.
Okay.
We are at booth 305, and lot many customers are coming in and asking us that this was there in the keynote. This is a business problem, and how will you transform it for
Oh,
us? Yeah.
that makes your work a lot more because you have now the clarity what can be done.
Yes.
Now you bring in
And
your
definitely, as partners, we need to bring in our flavor with respect to how we understand the business. While OpenText is providing the technology, we putting in the business knowledge to it and actually doing the transformation at customers end. In terms of implementation, is a really tough thing to do because it's still new.
yeah.
So we are all excited, and we need all the support from OpenText also to
Sure.
transform that value.
Sure. So how does Sedin differentiate? What's your unique value that you give it to your customers? I'm really interested to hear from you.
So Sedin's value proposition, like any other system integrator, we are a very large organization. Apart from the ECM division, we have 7 other divisions, and yeah, like few of the divisions, if I may name, are data culture, which is completely into data analytics. Then we have Rails Factory, which does app development for startups. In fact, one of the startups for whom we developed app got sold to Google for $200 million.
Wow.
Yeah, and one is the ECM division that I had from a global sales standpoint, and that's where the OpenText partnership comes in. But we also have Maximo Enterprise Asset Management and a few other divisions, like So when it comes to customers' value, we combine all these divisions together and present it as a value to the customer. So it doesn't have to look beyond Sedin or beyond OpenText, in terms of technology. So he gets all the flavor from a single company. That's a unique value proposition.
That's interesting. And how are you integrating the AI into all your operations? How are you giving that value to your customers?
So it's still, I would say AI is still new. It's not that we have started. Yeah, of course, it is still at the POC stage. We are doing different POCs to a customer. Like for one of the government customers who had automated the complete state land records, we did that transformation. Now, what we did as a POC is if a citizen is logging into the portal and asking for a particular history of land, how does AI transform that entire information and present it to the citizen? And that is government to citizen centric services. So that is the kind of POCs or proof of concept we are doing on AI with a government customer. Why I took an example of government is because they are pretty laid back in terms of adopting technology, but this having come from them, also shows the kind of interest they have.
Yeah. No, I'm really excited about what's the future. As we heard, the future is awesome.
Yeah, future is awesome.
So, how are you looking at 2025? I just want
I think for me and as Sedin personally, we are all excited about the technology which OpenText is bringing to the table, and probably after the use cases we will also have in 2025. We will also have. I'm very confident that we'll have few customer logos on the AI domain, on our booth, and definitely we are trying to have unique case studies, solve unique business problems, and also have these customers come on to OpenText World and share these transformation story with other customers, because this is what this platform is all about.
Yeah. No, that's great. Thanks, Kabir, for sharing your thoughts. I really like what we can do together. Really excited about and all. And yeah, any final thoughts to our audience who want to?
No, it's exciting. It's Vegas, exciting times ahead in terms of technology. There's so much of learning that has happened on this platform, and always good to be here and meeting people, and specifically a old friend like you.
Thank
I'm
you.
all excited, and thanks for having me again.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
And thanks everyone for joining in. And thank you once again.
Thank you.